What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got something very special. We're gonna take a bit of a break from Hot Wheels. We're gonna focus on mini GTs once again, and today we've got this, the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35GT-RR or the R35 in this amazing Liberty Walk silhouette wide body kit, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this. So obviously this is a limited piece, one of 3,600, sorry, one of 3,600 in the world, not 3,000. Wait a minute, it is 3,600. I don't know why I got confused, but yeah, anyways, we're gonna do a few unboxings. Obviously you've never seen this sort of packaging in the channel before, and this is actually my first, so I'm quite excited to see this. This is actually more of a display piece. I mean, obviously you have the J hook right here to actually hang it on the wall, but you guys know me, I'm a loose collector. I do not do J hooks and walls. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly just open this up, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing video. We're gonna do a quick review of this entire car, and I'm gonna show you guys in a bit why I had to particularly get this model. I mean, obviously there are so many different types of different variations, right? But why did I get this? Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the exact reason. And there you go, guys. Out of the blister is this, obviously the box. It's empty box, so obviously we know you can store the car in, but obviously we are not going to do that. This box is probably going to be in the dustbin anyways. And here you go, guys, the R35 in this amazing LBWK silhouette wide body kit. So as usual, guys, we're going to start off with the review straight away. We're going to dive right in, and I hope you guys enjoy the video once again. So as you guys can see, let's start with the right side of the vehicle and the wheels. The wheels on these are amazing. Just look at that wheels, the way it looks. I think it's one of the nicest wheels I've seen in a while. And yeah, just kudos to the designers at MiniGT for creating such an amazing and intricate piece of wheel or rim design, honestly. These are obviously rubber tires, as you guys can see. It says Skyline right here, Liberty Walk right there, and it says LBWK right here. And there's a Japan flag, and it says imagine all the people living life in peace. Obviously, we've got a number 5, I assume. It's not an S, it's a 5, I think. And then obviously it says LB Silhouette Works right here. Liberty Walk, I think I mentioned that as well. It says Nismo right here, this amazing circular sticker, and the LBWK right there. Liberty Walk written right here, and the LB Performance on the side skirts right there, as you guys can see. I do apologize for the focus of my camera. I'm not really sure what's wrong with it, why it's acting so weirdly recently. But yeah, we're just going to continue on. And then, like I mentioned to you guys, this is obviously the wide body kit, which means that you guys can see the huge fender flares right at the rear and at the front as well. And we're going to move on to the front of the vehicle. Obviously, we've got the LBWK and the Nissan right here, the GTR logo right there, the LB Performance decal right here. Let me see if you guys can see properly. It says Nismo right there, Nissan Skyline right here. We've got plastic headlight temples, guys, which I think is really amazing. And just look at the front splitter right here and the carbon fiber bits over here as well, which adds to the whole taste and aggressiveness of this amazing vehicle. And if you look at the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. Obviously the wheels has been amazingly well. I mean, MiniGTs really do a good job, considering it's on the more premium side of cars. They do a good job with the wheels, and I think this is no exception. These wheels are amazingly done. Obviously we've got the same bunch of decals as the right side. Nismo right here, LBWK right there, Liberty Walk right here, LBWK once again. The Japan logo, and where it says imagine all the people living life in peace. Very nice message, very nice slogan. We got Liberty Walk right here, Skyline right here, and obviously LBWK right here again. And this iconic silhouette, obviously the paint job with the black and the red and the black roof again. I do have a couple of more silhouettes on its way, and obviously I have a few in my collection as well. So what I actually plan to do, like I mentioned before, is actually to display them all together, and I will show you what I'm referring to at the end of the video. So just stay tuned for that. Bear with me for just a little bit. And the rear, obviously we've got the amazing, the iconic R35 or the GTR circular head tail lights, the amazing wheel. Obviously there's a ducktail as well, and then the very nice wing, which I think just adds so much flair to the entire vehicle. And then, like I mentioned, it's a wide body, so let's just look at how wide she is. I mean, she's girthy, guys. And obviously we've got quad exhaust right here, and the license plate with the rear splitter. And lastly, we're going to look at the base of the vehicle. It's a very nice matte black finish. Obviously there aren't much details. It says 2009 Nissan GT-R 35 under license, This has a MiniGT logo right there, made in China. And honestly, even though it doesn't have any details, the fact that it's matte kind of makes the base look very nice. I do not know why. I'm not really a fan of this kind of bases, but I think this is really well done. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys agree with me or not. I think all in all, very amazing job for MiniGT once again. Obviously now these videos are sponsored, so when it comes to my opinion, I'm really honest about it. There isn't any, how do I say, there isn't any third party involved in my opinion. So yeah, all in all, and obviously this car is a right-hand drive vehicle. As usual, it's an Asian car. So let me know in the comments below guys if you like this car, if you're a huge fan of it. I think it's amazing. R35s are amazing. I'm not a huge JDM guy, I'm more of an exotic guy, but when it comes to JDMs, this is a must-have. R34, R35s, these are must-haves, and I think this is a really amazing car. So yeah guys, just like we are gonna do a few rolling shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like that guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I shouldn't amazing time unboxing this car. It's gonna go insanely by my collection. So yeah, like I mentioned to you guys, the iconic, obviously the very much anticipated R34 LBW case right here. We've got R35 right here. I'm gonna leave this slot empty for the white that's coming in really soon, sooner than you think. And obviously this is for the R30, which is in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just like that guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.